Hey guys, so today I've got a new subscription box that I've never had before. If you watch my videos, usually you may have seen in the past I have done some for Twisted Allure. They are kind of like a Halloween, horror, spooky kind of themed bath and shower company. They do like body sprays, hand sanitizers, moisturizers. It is amazing, like 100% some of my favorite stuff I've ever got. And they have just brought out a subscription box, so I think they've done like 4 or 5 now. This is the February one, I believe. I know we're in April, but it's a little late. I'm not going to be getting it every month, maybe every few months, and this is $55. Now they do ship worldwide, but I'm just going to say it because I know I'm going to get comments about it. If you're not in America, the shipping is really expensive. I don't know about other countries, but to the UK the postage is nearly the same price as the box. It's like $40 something, so it is a really expensive box unless you are in America. So I'm just saying that now because I know people will end up complaining about it. I do also have a discount code, which is LunaLily, for 5% off. I don't think it will work on the subscription boxes, but you can buy loads of stuff just singly on its own. So if you want to buy anything, LunaLily will give you 5% off. So I'll put that here now and down below. But we are just going to open this and see what is in here. So like I said, I believe this is the February one because it's kind of like a Valentine's sort of theme. So apparently in each box you get 5 or 6 full-size items. It looks so cute. It's got all different coloured little pink, black and purple worms on the top. Just going to move those out of the way. And this is what it looks like inside. So this is her little business card with a sample on there. Twisted Allure. And that is all of her information. Like I said, I will put it down below in the description as well. And this little sample is a little Ghoul Soap. It's Thank You Next, it's called, from the Valentine's line. Oh, absolutely amazing. I don't know how she does it, but everything is so scented that she does. It smells incredible and it stays on your skin as well. So if you have like a moisturizer or hand sanitizer or something and you use it, you literally can still smell it like an hour later. It's kind of just like a berry scent, maybe like fruity. But all of her stuff smells amazing. I've never had anything that I didn't like. Then next we have a big soap. This is so pretty. I'll get it out so you can see it better in a second. But this is called the Ghoul Soap and it's sweet tart candy scented. We don't get sweet tarts here, but I have had them before and I love them. Oh my god. Amazing. Like kind of sour cherry and strawberry and stuff maybe. This is what the colours look like, sort of like a pastel green, blue, purple, pink. So pretty. Smells incredible. Oh, absolutely love it. I was about to say I wish she made a perfume out of it, but I bet there is a body spray of it, so that is that one. Then next we have a body wash. I don't think I've ever had a body wash from her that I can remember. This one is called Boo and it is sweet kiwi, mandarin, cherry and sugared musk. Sounds amazing. It's kind of like a shimmery pink kind of colour, like it's got a bit of a glitter to it. And it's got one of these little click up lids as well, which is super handy, so you don't have to unscrew the top every time you use it. So I'm gonna unscrew it just to smell it though. Oh, it's got a little seal on it. That's cute. Okay, 1 minute. Break that a little. Oh, that smells amazing too. I'm actually getting kind of like a watermelon-y scent. I don't usually like watermelon, but it does smell good. Maybe that's the kiwi. Super sweet and sugary though. I'm not really getting any cherry. More like a really summery, fruity sort of smell, like a watermelon, kiwi, orangey kind of smell. But that is the shower gel Boo. Then next we've got a sugar scrub. I've had so many of these from her in the past and they are always absolutely incredible. They foam up really nicely and they're not too harsh, but they're not like really soft either. They've just got like a good amount of scrub in them. This one is called Bite Me and the scent is strawberry and marshmallow. That literally sounds like heaven. It says, how does it work? This scrub works best when you scoop some out before you go to the shower or bath. Wet the skin and gently rub in a circular motion, then rinse your skin. It'll feel so soft, can be used daily or a few days a week. It's got cute little pumpkin hearts and stuff around it. I'm so excited. I love marshmallow. Oh, it's got a little soap in the top too. So it's like a pink and purple scrub with a little green sparkly soap chunk in the top. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I just want to like lick it. It doesn't, I'm not getting strawberry though. To me that smells like a sour cherry sort of sweet and marshmallow. Cherry and marshmallow I would have said. But that is 100% one of my favourite scents she's ever done. I want to eat it. So that is the Bite Me Sugar Scrub. Then we have a little cute body butter. I had one of these a few Easters ago and it was a Peeps scented one and I love it so much that I've not even used like a quarter of it yet because I don't want it to ever run out. It's my favourite body butter in the entire universe and it's a marshmallow scented one. This one is called Haunt Me and it's blackberry, raspberry and vanilla, which sounds amazing. I hope I don't love this one as much because I want to use it, so we'll see. This is what it looks like. It's super thick and creamy. Oh, that's amazing too. Really, really fruity. I do prefer the marshmallow one just because I absolutely love marshmallow. But this one is incredible as well. I'll just show you like how thick it is. It's like really whipped, like thick cream. It's so nice. It doesn't soak in straight away, but it's not sticky either. So it really does moisturize and make your skin super soft. Yeah, that is really nice. Very fruity and summery, even though it's a Valentine's box, but it's definitely a summery kind of scent. And then we've got one item left and it's one I've never had from her before and it's a body spray. So this one is called Goth. And it is a black vanilla, frozen pear and modern glamour scent apparently. It's got no parabens, it's vegan and it's alcohol free. It says shake well, so I'm going to shake it and then we will do a little spray. Okay, I'll try and not eat this, let's see. I definitely just inhaled that. Wow. It's actually, I expected it for some reason to kind of smell like all the other stuff, like very fruity and like fresh and stuff, but it's actually very perfumey. It doesn't smell like a body spray, it smells like an adult perfume. I know that sounds really stupid, but it's really nice though. Kind of musky but still sweet. I would definitely wear that. I don't know what modern glamour is, if that's kind of the musky sort of smell. But it smells expensive though. I don't know how she's done that, but Goth body spray. And that was everything in this subscription box. So I will grab it all and show you all again at once. So we had the Bite Me Sugar Scrub, which is strawberry and marshmallow, my favourite scent in the box, I would say. Then we had the Boo Body Wash, which is sweet kiwi, mandarin, cherry and sugared musk. There was the Ghoul Soap, which is sweet tart candy scented. This and this are very close. That one was also really, really nice. Then the Haunt Me Body Butter. the Goth body spray, and the cute little thank you next sample soap as well. So all of these items in the Twisted Allure subscription box. Like I said, I think this was the Valentine's one. I'm not 100% sure, but absolutely amazing. I love all of them. There's not a single thing in this that I don't like. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, and if you're gonna go get it. I know a lot of her stuff is really hard to get when she does launches, like they sell out immediately, but I do think the subscription box is up all the time. Not 100% on that, but I'm pretty sure it is. If it's not, it is up right now. I did just check, so you can go and get it right now if you want to. So I will put all of the information down below for them in case you want to go and check it out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.